good evening, Batiar. I think my plan is better because I have some ideas, some interesting ideas, and please listen to me. Of course, you know about our old and unbeautiful town Tokmok. What interesting can you say me about it? Unfortunately, nothing. Let's rebuild this town, and our company want to give the plan of building for our talented children. Because we think our very talented and very fantastic children can imagine very beautiful buildings for this town, and it will be like Disneyland, I think, and it will be a rest zone. It will be for hospitals, sanatoriums, and other places for rest. So I think the population will be like 100,000 people, or like it. So it's all, and we talk about this plan. Please listen to me.